Hi, welcome to tutorial on Silver Scan tool. The test cycle assistant makes it possible to follow predefined driving cycles to determine carbon dioxide emission and fuel consumption or to check diagnostic functions. Click on Extras. Select Test Cycle Assistant option. Main window of Test Cycle Assistant will open. It displays the currently measured velocity together with the predefined test cycle. In order to follow the target curve, a tolerance range and the gear shift positions are indicated. Target curve is read in the form of CSV file is displayed in the main graphics area. Current vehicle speed is displayed as a filled circle with crosshairs in the main graphics area. This region is scrolled automatically during the test cycle to allow the driver to look ahead. The functions for the operation of the test cycle assistant can either be accessed via the functions menu of the window or the context menu. Click on right mouse button. Start option. This test cycle assistant starts to display the vehicle speed and monitors the difference to the target curve. Simulation option. This test cycle assistant will be started in simulation mode. Communication with the vehicle is not initiated. An internally created velocity signal will be used instead. The gear shift points read from CSV file are displayed as circles together with the gear number on top of the target curve. The test cycle assistant checks continuously whether the current speed is inside the displayed tolerance range. If this is not the case, a flashing red arrow is shown, which indicates the direction in which the speed should be corrected. The current vehicle speed and an overview of the test cycle are shown at the side of the main graphics area. Pause option. This test cycle assistant will be paused at the current location and stays in standby mode. In order to resume the function at the current location, just select Start again. Stop option. This test cycle assistant will be stopped at the current location. To start a recording, you have to provide a file name in which that data shall be stored. Apart from the velocity signal, the stored data will contain the target curve to allow an analysis of recording on the basis of the test cycle. The numerical display in the sidebar is divided into the sections Current Values Curve Info. The curve information contains, for example, the average speed or the total distance of the test cycle. Setting option. The test cycle assistant can be parameterized in many aspects to fit individual needs and different purposes. For instance, a different input signal than the vehicle speed can be chosen or individual test cycles can be defined. This allows you to adapt the application to arbitrary use cases. On the Display tab of the Settings dialog, you can choose the desired target curve. It is stored in a very simple format in a CSV file. Some important driving cycles will be included during the installation. In addition, you can choose the display parameters for the test cycle assistant. On the Measured Value tab of the Settings dialog, you select the measurement value that you want to use. On the Measurement tab of the Settings dialog, you can define automated measurements, which will be triggered at certain points in time during the driving cycle when the test cycle assistant is running. In View option, you can select options for zoom in, zoom out, and also you can switch to desired design. Thank you so much for watching.